Say morning. What's the morning? Say morning. Say morning. Say morning. Say morning. Yes. Say morning. Say morning. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It is another day with the fam bam. We are getting ready to head out to go to the supermarket to do a little supermarket run because our usual supermarket day we didn't make it, and yesterday we were out all day. So we're just going to go out and do it early in the morning today because it's Sunday and our supermarket that we go to only open Sunday morning and not all throughout the day. So we have to go and get it done early. And besides, I have so much things that I want to get done today. So I just want to go early and get it over with. So everybody's up. Ow! Let me see a fingernail, gal. Jeez. Sorry, a fingernail want to cut. Sorry, just screamed me. Anyway, you guys, the fam bam is around here getting ready. I'm already ready and just waiting on babe to force the head to the car. Look at my mouth like I just finished eating chicken patty, as Jamaicans would say. Anyway, you guys, no, sorry, I need to cut these fingernails before, and they're not even long, before she scratch herself. Anyway, you guys, if you're new to our channel, be sure you subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys, and now we are heading out to the supermarket in the morning. No? No morning? You just kicking me? Who is that? Who is that? Look at that. What cheek? Who is that? She's just staring at herself. I just put some medicine in her eyes because she had been having cold. So if you see her eyes a little bit orange, there's medicine in it. Jesus, she not stop cutting me up. I have to put her fingernail. Good morning, hot girl Rose.
Morning, guys. I had an amazing day yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm stuffy because I had dairy and I shouldn't have dairy. But now
you're feeling it.
Yep. Even my eyes swole up this morning. But now we're going to the supermarket.
Yes.
It's huge, so I'm excited.
Rose is excited to go to the supermarket. Sarah wants her pass. You need to pay attention to her. You have her, babe.
It's really fast. Like 3 times faster than they move on land.
They have what?
In this area, you have to take off your shoes.
I don't really know. Oh,
Yeah, your place is
Aunt Egg. You keep it? Okay. No chocolate milk for Tyler. We don't reach there yet.
You want it?
You'll see when we reach there. What? You think it's you I'm talking to? I'm talking to Papa. Smiley. Smiley. Hey yo. Hey yo, hey yo. Ooh, look at that yawn. Look at that yawn. That's
This is
good morning, honey.
Hi, good morning.
Whoa, take it from him.
You can't put the eggs on the other side. You want to show inside the egg?
yes.
Alright, how many eggs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. So we say a dozen. A dozen of egg. Okay?
Okay.
What else we got?
France. 12. I don't know if they say the same thing.
Dozen? No. Dozen.
Which one?
Yeah, we said dozen.
Which one? one.
It's dozen for...
French 12.
Well, that makes sense.
Mouchoir.
That makes sense. Good job, Ty.
Mouchoir.
Mouchoir.
And avocado for...
No, we have down there.
Mama love avocado, so Mama take avocado every week. Ooh, that's my foot.
You do that for me.
Alright, that's a lot of milk because I realized Mama eat a lot of milk recently. Drink all of Tyler milk and there's no more milk for Tyler.
Yes, I want to
Ah, so we have to guess. Oh, this is bad. We don't ask who is it for.
What's that, Ty? Give it, Ty. Don't make it fall.
Tomatoes,
Champion, Dumont.
Tomatoes.
Told you.
Avocado again, carrots. Why you get so much veggies these last days? Something in the love with the veggies?
Here, Papa, catch this.
Ah, they say carrots make you nice. That's because you realize that
I'm working on being nice. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no. What are we doing?
What is that, Tyler?
This is...
It's gonna break.
Take it from him. Take it from him, please.
This is Nutella for Papa. Mama.
Bah!
And a little bit of Tyler. A lot of for Tyler too.
Look at Sarah down there laughing by herself. Papa is just messing with you. Carry on.
That's a meat for everybody.
Come, Ty. What else is in there?
Fish, white fish. Some more sausage. Where you take this sausage? That's all.
Cause I can't find the other one.
That's alright. Some yogurt for Papa.
No, leave that one. It's soap for baby sister.
Some ham. Now you can see when I see that that is not me that choose the ham because she changed everything.
Chicken!
Good job, Ty.
Some more shrimp. You were
You was asking
another
for
shrimp.
shrimp on work.
And some yogurt for Tyler.
Yes!
If Tyler gets strong.
Yes!
High five.
What else is there, Ty?
Banana, a lot of banana. Don't know what Mama want to do with so much banana. Look at the banana, what it becomes. But Mama loves the banana. And this, you start to eat that too?
Oh my God! We haven't got some lunch at
popcorn.
Let's corn.
It's not popcorn?
No.
So if you put that in the microwave, it becomes popcorn?
No.
It's corn.
Corn.
Yep, it's big in corn.
Some lotion. Let's try this new lotion. Some more tomatoes. So we have big tomatoes.
Ooh,
Baby
look what
tomatoes.
it is.
What is that, Tyler?
So,
To wash mama face.
To wash Mama's face.
this
There's
is
different-
so pretty.
Is compliment.
Okay,
What?
so
This and
this,
this.
No.
Is different.
this,
Okay.
One is to put on your face to moisturize and one is to wash your face.
so
Okay. This is
this,
the clean Sarah eyes. Very important.
this is for someone to clean everywhere.
No, that's for mama.
You are the mama and papa and me.
Well, and a plantain. You find plantain.
Yeah, some green ones.
Alright. So
Sorry.
Tell her how she do a second time.
So if you want to know how to fry plantain,
Here.
That's for you?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're so loud.
like this one is me, yeah. Okay. A lot of seasoning. We're gonna eat well this week. Some quinoa. It helps.
What is that?
Deodorant for mama
The other
armpit.
one for Mama, cucumber for
For Marianne.
What is that? Is
It's quinoa.
quinoa.
puree de tomates. tomato puree. Tomato puree for everyone and fruit shoot for everyone.
Finish?
Almost finished, just some bush remain inside. I don't know what you're going to eat.
Bush.
So she stopped at the bush. I don't know that.
It's celery.
So you stop at the bush.
Ty, don't do that.
And apple juice, guys, because she is missing apple juice, so she take 4 bottles of 2 liters of apple juice and 1 Lena. And 4 bottles. 4 bottles, she think like Sarah.
But that's what you take, no? So I'm following you.
At the time I used to take 1 or 2. So 1 time to 1, then 2. But I realized someone drink it, so I have to take more. But this is not Sarah.
Well, Sarah drinking it through my breast. That's it?
Oh, it's just salt. Salt for Sarah.
Alright, so that's it, guys, for the supermarket haul. And Sarah's over here calling. Who you calling, princess? Who you calling? Who you calling? Who you calling? Is yourself?
Are you ready?
Who you calling? So it's, what's that is spewing out of
The cheese, because I've melted the camembert.
No, is that around the garlic too?
Yeah, it's the cheese. The camembert, so it's inside and then this is like the casing.
French business, camembert that Rose put in the oven with garlic. I've never eaten this cheese.
You add garlic on it?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
So you add garlic.
Tyler, don't do that.
Gives it that extra. Wow.
I hope you're not gonna make it bad.
It makes it.
Come, y'all go ahead. Let me watch.
You going first.
You.
Ty. So it's melted inside.
Oh yeah, look. See? You wanna try the first bite?
No, thank you.
It's really good, guys. That's it.
Tyler, you want to try?
Yes.
Take up one bread.
Okay.
Jeez, that looks so delicious. But I'm afraid. Tyler, it's warm.
Is the grapes. Because then the grapes kind of cleans your palate and gives you a bit of sweet. But I can probably replace the grapes with maybe watermelon. Try it, Mel. Come dip.
Ty, see the cheese falling on the ground.
She can try, but she's not gonna like it.
No, me not try
Just a
it.
little
No.
bit.
She's not gonna like it.
Here, babe, just say me not
Oh, it's
gonna
too
like it.
cheesy.
Me not taste it.
Or
Not
the
cheesy.
tart at
The
the end.
taste.
It's the taste of the cheese.
Yeah, it's the tart at the end.
No, me not try it. Me sorry.
The whole taste.
These French people and these so-called Jamaican, she's not Jamaican eating that stinky cheese. Rose is not Jamaican.
No, though.
The oven make it less.
Yummy?
Make
Yes,
it less
Ty.
strong. Try just a bit.
You don't like it? Then don't eat anymore.
Mac and cheese. Just try a little bit.
Should I
Look,
try it?
even just a little piece like this.
Babe, you think I'll regret it?
No.
Babe, tell me the truth. You're my husband.
Try it if you want. It's less strong than when
Because
it's.
I've baked it, so it's not strong like that when it's just
It
cold.
kills the taste. The
Put it all in your
kills
mouth
the
and chew.
taste.
And if you had a grape to follow with now, you'd be like,
It's the taste stronger than raclette. Yes.
Nice, isn't it? We
It's
use your
not
little-
nice,
little
but
grape.
it's okay. I want one more.
Yeah.
But it's not.
I'll try again.
Yeah.
Let me try a bigger piece this
Get your
time.
cheese. Especially with the garlic like that.
Actually good.
It's good.
It's actually good. It's actually good, not lie. As babe said, the oven make it less strong.
Yeah.
It's actually, I would actually do this. It's
And
actually
just
good.
get grapes and get your wine. Or even your alcohol-free wine. It's very
It's
much.
actually good.
It's good.
No lie. I'll try, go
Probably
ahead.
your romantic evenings.
So now,
Start off.
Rose, come have me try camembert. Lord God.
You like it?
That's good.
It's actually good. No lie. It's actually good.
Come have some more.
It's actually good. No. My goat from yesterday that I bought. Looks delish already. You guys, I have been so busy today. I finished cooking dinner. I cooked my goat, and yes, it is the right curry goat. It's the right goat, so it tastes just like Jamaican curry. I finished cook long time, so this is settle business, you guys see. And I made some rice, and Rose made salad for me. Oh, Rose made salad, so I am gonna eat right now because I'm hungry. Baby's over there ironing. Princess is over there sleeping. And Tyler and Rose is actually at the pool, and Tyler is heading to the pool right now to join her. So it's been a busy day around here, y'all. What you guys' day is like? Whatever time of the day you guys watching it? What are you guys up to today? Hey guys, that's dinner. I'm gonna go. I'm so hungry.
La soupe aux frites. Ah. Non, le nom c'est quand il y a un regarde. Ça c'est non, ça c'est pas non. C'est quoi la différence? Là il y a le N et là il n'y a pas le N. Alors comment on dit ça? On. Non. Et là c'est juste le on parce qu'il n'y a pas de. D'accord? On même. Ça. Regarde. Tam. En français c'est tam. A, tam. Ti. Et après c'est. Attention. Le T et le I avec le O, ça fait S. D'accord?
You guys, I am just coming on to end today's vlog with my girl. Just me and my boo. We had practically a busy day, but I didn't pick up the camera really. Even Jen came by and had dinner, but she came with one of her friends, and I didn't want to pull out the camera because she came with a guest. So that's that. And Ty and Rose went to the pool and they had fun, got back and we all had dinner, and it was a pretty good day, but to say the least. Baby girl is sleeping, Tyler is off to bed. He's have school in the morning, but he's however not feeling so well because he's catching a cold. I can see that he's catching a cold. So I had to put the humidifier in his room, and I rubbed him up with some Vicks and stuff like that. Well, actually Rose put the humidifier in his room and put some essential oil in it, so he should feel better. And make sure I turn off his fan though, because the fan making it worse. He's crying for his nose being stuffy, so I know it's the fan. Baby's actually off to bed too because babe have work in the morning and I have work all night with this one, but that's okay. My eyes red because that means I am tired, so I'm actually going to put not Tyler, I'm gonna put Sarah down right now and head in for the night. So hopefully you guys enjoy today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.